just after 6 a.m. I planned to leave at 4 a.m. Due to unforeseen circumstances, I couldn't. But yeah, and I'm on track now. As you can see, super rainy, but I've got my waterproofs on, waterproof gear, overshoes on, so we're good. This is how the bike's looking. Pretty heavy. But let's get it. About 7k in. First wipe out. Blooming pigeon in Elephant Castle roundabout here. It just didn't move and I just slammed the brakes, and then next thing you knew I was sliding on the floor. Cut my hand a little bit, but the main problem is it, I think the weight of the bike, it slammed down and the chain's actually, I think the chain ring has been pushed in and it's blocking the chain from actually rotating around, so this definitely is cursed. Munchies. Out of London, baby. Let's go. Even more harder. I'm getting onto the Grand Union Canal now. Officially out of London, out of Watford. Look at this. So the sun's decided to come out. Put a smile on my face at least. So I'm here just outside Milton Keynes, I found a Halford, so here goes.
From where?
I've come from London.
London?
Yeah.
Where are you going now?
Scotland. Yeah, so I got obviously my tent on the back.
Tent on everything. With this weather.
I know, but oh yeah, first time's better. How's it looking? Yeah, literally it was closing up. I couldn't see anything. Feels way better now. Northampton. So I stopped off in Northampton at this place called Five Lads. Yeah, original. Probably gonna get a little half chicken and chips. Feeling pretty. Half chicken, chips and 6 wings. Losing light, but final push. Looking at my options. I mean, you've got a golf club. Yeah, off this side. Yeah. So I'm in Coombe Park, just a little bit outside Leicester. It looked quite good, and it's actually quite decent. I found I'm like behind this, I guess like the toilets or something. But I just want to pitch up here. Should be good. So here's the suite. You can see it's quite tight, but also quite windy today. Yeah, I'm gonna check out. Morning, so feeling tons better. Definitely a little bit tired, but see how it goes in the bike today. Let's get back in and get on the road again. As good as new. We're on the road. That's sweet. Oh yeah, I'm not fitting through this. Actually, that's reasonable. Not sure what river this is actually. Nice little. Struggling big time. I'm not too sure what it is, if it's a collection of things most likely, but yeah, my body's just not really doing what I'm intending it to do. Afternoon. Made the Derby. Need to find something to eat. Hopefully that will help me to get out of this rut I'm in. It's going down right now. This is what I end up getting. Let's see if it helps. So yeah, that sugar rush is definitely hitting me. With a boost of energy. We'll see how long that lasts for though. Someone saw me lying here, and yeah, they called the police. Everyone must have thought I was unconscious or something. Feel like it. Finally made it. Peak District. As I should have been here yesterday, but as I said, just taking it easy now. I'm enjoying it. Don't need to rush anymore. touring bike agility. When you're smiling and nodding your head, there's no reaction. Look at that. This is definitely probably one of my, what's that, 12% gradient downwards? Definitely one of my best cycling moments of my career, of my life. Thank you. Oh, it's really a 12%. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Make sure I don't go too fast. Really quickly actually, this is the view. This valley, and notice over there's Falls Cave. I'm gonna make my food now. This is dinner, followed by dessert. Water into it. Left it for 10 minutes, and look at that. Absolutely mash. Yeah, it smells funky. Hey people, obviously it's night number 2. I realise obviously today I haven't done a lot of talking, but hopefully you enjoy my videos of just me cycling. Because yeah, I had a really good time, especially near the end of my ride. Some of those roads, like the country lanes and the views it was giving. And that 12% gradient hill, that was actually mad.